Never underestimate the power of a sincere prayer. Success is not about how much you have, it's about how much you have given. Patience is a key that unlocks the door to success. Your past may be dark, but your future can be radiant. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. A positive attitude can make a world of difference. Never give up on your dreams. Remember, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Life is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. Character is not made in a crisis, it's revealed. Don't wait for the right opportunity, create it. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Make gratitude your attitude and watch how your life changes. Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. You are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. A moment of patience in a moment of anger can save you 1,000 moments of regret. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. Trust the timing of your life. Sometimes not getting what you want can be a blessing. Be the change you wish to see in the world. The more you are grateful for what you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. Your character is your destiny. Don't let the noise of the world drown out the voice of your heart. Success is not about the destination but the journey. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Be kind to unkind people. They need it the most. The greatest battles are fought in the mind. When you have nothing left except Allah, then you find that Allah is enough. Your actions are a reflection of your inner state. Strive for inner peace. Life is a test and your faith is the answer.